Okay everyone, I'm gonna show you tonight on how to change the band of an old INVICTA Sea Spider, an old band on the INVICTA Sea Spider. This is the new band, these are the old bands. I forgot to show you how to, I did take it off already, I'm sorry about it, but I'm just gonna show you slowly. Okay, I'm gonna use this very small screwdriver, Stanley screwdriver. Bought it in Home Depot, and I ordered the new band, the original INVICTA new band, to change it. I installed it already, but like I said, I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, this is the old one. It's broken. I tried to change it many times, but I don't know why. Maybe because you get old and dirty. I swim with this one, I use it for work. As you can see, it's really dirty right there. Trying to clean this one, so here it goes. First thing I did, turn it on the side. This is actually connected on this side, so what I did is push it that way, and yes, because when it's still connected, you push it that way on this side, going that way. All right, then you use the flat end of your screw, flat end, sorry about that, and you try to right here pull this one down like that. It's a spring loaded, so it's easy for you to like that. You see that it's pushing? Let me come closer. It's pushing it down. Yeah, that's how you do it. You push it down. Once you start pushing it down, you'll come off, and push it that way at the same time, so it will come off from the body itself. Right there, you push it that way. Wow, push it that way. My hand, you see my fingers pushing that way, and you're pulling down like this way. Right, once it goes that way and down, it'll come off easy. Then I started to clean a little bit. As you can see, it's open now. Yeah, then I will remove the pins from the old ones because I'm going to use it. It's the same pin I'm going to use under the new one. Alright, okay, pull it out. I'm pulling it out, but I need to clean it. I got some paper towel, clean it, wipe it down a little bit, clean it up a little bit. Here's another pin, cleaning it a little bit. Alright, sorry, this is my first video, first ever, so my phone is resting on a book. Okay, so now here we go. Put it in there. Put the other one. Whoop. What I'm gonna do is press it all the way in, so I can put it exactly where I want it. Alright, then grab this button. Let me see what I'm gonna do. 1 second. Alrighty, there you go. Try. Oops, sorry. Good night.
Good morning.
Yep. There we go. Try to make sure that the bottom part is all in there, like so, really right there. And here we go. I'm gonna push one by one, slow. That's one is almost there, and that has to go a little bit in. Here we go. trying to push it all the way in. A little bit more. Sorry. Oh, I lost it. 1 second. There you go. Yep, one is in there. Both of them still in there. Oh, sorry about that. Let me move it a little bit out. There you go. You see that? Ooh, that's harder. I hope it stays over there. Let's try it again. This is kind of hard. Okay. You can see it's going on now. Can you see it? I got one more. Get in there. There you go. It's in. Let's see. What? Amazing. Is it in? Oh, I hear the click. Did you hear the click? Both of them are clicked. Okay. It's all good. I have this watch for like maybe 4 years now. I bought it a while ago and it's still running. It's still good. I like this one. Now I need to adjust this to my size of my hand. There you go. Let's see. Oh, it's open. Gotta put it right there. As you can see, that's kind of big, you know. Still have maybe 2, 3 right there. See? But it's a good watch. Still, I make it. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove the links, change the links. I mean, reduce it to size it up, you know, to the size of my hand. Just don't know how to do it yet, but I will make a video next time and I will show you how to do it. Maybe it's gonna be a short video, right? It's gonna be a short video. All right, thank you very much. This is it. You all have a good day now.